It's morning and I'm tired, but we are doing this. Good morning. It's 6:51 and I'm at school. Let's do this. So it's Thursday. I'm early. I got Chick-fil-A. I'm the first intern here. The sky looks cool. My supervisor's coming today just to visit. I'm not having an observation today, thank goodness. I had one last week, but she's coming today just to visit. What else? I'm doing a lesson today with another senior. We're co-teaching a 5th grade lesson about metacognition when reading. And then after school, me and the same senior are going to our university to work on some school stuff. So that's a day in the life. Somehow I'm here early, and that's great news because that never happens. I'm usually the last one here. I think I just woke up starving. I also woke up with no alarm. I didn't set any alarms last night, and I have no idea how, but I just happened to check my phone the exact minute my alarm would have gone off. I don't know. So I woke up hungry. So I got myself out the door as soon as possible so I could get breakfast because yogurt wasn't going to cut it today. And I am in the car, and it's very hot, 92 degrees. And I just got to sit in on an IEP meeting that was very, very interesting. It was about a girl that we have for one of our pull-out classes for 2 times in the day. And she is autistic, and it was a meeting basically with her mom and all the teachers that help her 2 resource teachers, her general ed teacher, her parapro that is with her all day long in every single class, her speech teacher, and an autistic lady from the state, like a head autistic lady, I don't know. It was very interesting. They were just talking about some strategies to help her be more social and how she's going to progress this year, and it was really interesting. I'm glad I got to sit in on that. And so now I'm heading to Walmart. I'm meeting some girls there. We all just left, but we're driving separate because they're having a sale on the little rolly carts. I'll insert a picture. And I want one so bad, and they're $15 right now. So we are going there super quick to see if they have them. And then we're going to our university to work on some schoolwork. So I'm home now. Have a massive, horrible, nasty zit right there. So sorry. But I wanted to show you what it is that I got at Walmart because I've been wanting one for so long, and I wanted it to be on sale and black, and I got it. Here it is. I love it so much. I don't know what I'm going to put in it in my classroom, but I have it. So, one final update. I got the cart made. I love it. It didn't take me that long to put it together, maybe like 20, 30 minutes. It was very easy to put together, and I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it in my classroom, but it has wheels, so I can just roll it around, and I'm very excited about it. I just realized that I never finished this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.